Hey guys, what's up? I'm currently shooting with the BlackMagic Pocket Cinema Camera. Now right now I'm just using the plain camera, and I'm just using a basic 7 to 14 millimeter lens, and you're probably hearing a lot of noise right now. Now as I've been playing with this camera, I noticed that there's this weird buzzing sound, and I couldn't figure it out, and I kind of nailed it down. At first I thought maybe it's something with the focus, or the active mount on the lens. Maybe it's the lens making the noise. Then I actually mounted up a different lens that has no electronics in it. This Rokinon fisheye actually is just a full manual lens. The next thing I did was I took the lens off of the camera and then actually did some recordings. All that noise that you're hearing right now is actually coming from inside the camera, and the microphones in this camera is actually picking up all of that noise. So I don't know who else has this problem, but if you put your ear up to the Pocket Cinema camera, you could physically hear that noise, and that's getting all translated through the microphones of this camera. Now once you plug in an external microphone, like a Rode video mic, it doesn't pick up the noise because you're using an external mic. So anyways, I don't know what to say, but the in-camera microphones on this camera is basically useless because it's just picking up all of that internal noise, and I still have no idea why it's doing it. But if any of you guys have this same problem, let me know. I know a few of you guys have the same camera. Make sure you comment at cheesycam.com.